2023 Nissan Pathfinder is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Nissan is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.5 L213 engine, and has 43 to 35 miles. Explore the outdoors with a certified 2023 Nissan Pathfinder, reliable, spacious, and ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.